Hi everyone! Here's a fun literacy or writing activity you can use with any lesson. You need a pencil, scissors, colored pencils, and glue. So let's get started. Fold the paper into a triangle like this. Using your scissors, cut the sheet of paper like this. Great! Now put this strip of paper aside. Open the sheet and fold it over again like this. Now, take your scissors and cut along the crease until you get to the middle of the square. Now, push the two flaps towards each other to make a pyramid. Let's flatten it out again and start writing. You just need to remember that you're only going to be using 3 triangles from here. In this case, number 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to create a 3-dimensional story map using the 3 Bears and Goldilocks story. Let's think, what happened in the beginning? Goldilocks went to the bear's house. Complete what happened in the beginning, middle, and end, and then glue the flap together. Depending on the type of lesson, the level or age of students, some prefer to write on the pyramid or some prefer to draw on it. If students want to draw on the pyramid, then use the extra strip of paper that you put aside for the writing assignment, like this. Now let's look at some different examples. This is a project about my summer vacation. Notice how you can place the pyramids side by side so that they make a larger whole. The pyramid or triorama is set at the beach. This is a fun story of Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. You can do a quick retelling activity as well. Look, this is Goldilocks. She goes into the bear's bedroom and she sees Baby Bear's bed. She sits on the bed and, oh no, she jumps on it too. She says, "This bed is just right." And she jumps and jumps.
I like it. This bed is just right.
You can tell stories like this. This is another writing project on my favorite food, fried chicken and noodles. You can have students work in groups and each create one pyramid or triorama. Here's another writing project. Where would you like to travel to? Do you see how flexible this project is? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, press like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye-bye.